Ever wonder how to drive an excavator? Let me break it down for you real quick. Step 1. Fire up the engine. And release the travel lock lever. Then check out this stick on the right. Pull it back, lifts the arm. Push it forward, lowers it. Left means scoop. Right means dump. Easy. Now the left stick. Push forward, boom goes up. Pull back, boom goes down. Left or right, the whole cabin spins that way. Last part. Push both forward and you go straight. Pull both back, reverse. Move just one, only that side moves. So, anyone feeling like an excavator driver now? This thing's kind of fun though.